Five stocks have huge volatility, guys. By Monday, we're gonna see a big jump for a lot of stocks that we're gonna talk about today. The strategy where you profit taking and where the insider will come in and they sell to actually reload at their support. We're gonna talk about everything. So let's get right to it, guys. First off, let's talk about this stock. Ticker symbol is GROM or GROM Social Enterprise. And this one, guys, have bumping up, and we have a bit of resistance, always testing around the $6.17, and the $6.17 is the technical level of rejection. And if we go here, guys, look with me closely, we have the price a bit of test right now and support around the $4.37. So the game plan is by Monday we have to hold around this technical area here. All right, here would be a really important level to hold and in order to retest for the $6.17. And we talked about it before, guys, and we said that $3.45 is the support. That's why we load up here, and the price then jump until the $6.17. This is crazy jump, guys, in matter of just a few hours even. We have the price jump here from the $3.45 until the price until the $6. Okay, so the next one we have DWAC, and everybody knows this one is a Trump stock. And again, guys, look what's going on, because for this one, okay, let me just do this. For this one, guys, Trump stock is have this kind of things going on, because we talked about it last time, and a lot of people said the 200 is the next target for DWAC. However, guys, I see some test for another resistant area, because we have a clear indication for another squeeze. If we gone above this level, we're gonna see the 200 and beyond, which is the 118, guys. This is really important level that we're gonna see a test for Monday. And again, the other level of interest by pre-market tomorrow, if we don't see the gap and the price will be normal, like as we close last Friday around the 94, this will make us have the resistance here around the 99.50 cent precisely. This is a kind of psychological level before the $1. So this is the strategy, guys. Pre-market by tomorrow, if we don't have price gapped over this level or even near the $1.18, the resistance when the market open will be the 99 here. And again, if we got rejected, it's mean we're gonna see a lower lows, guys, and we see it drop until the 60, where we're gonna see a big buying pressure happening again around this area. Okay, as we said, we're gonna see if we see a fill of the gap. This is if we don't have a big gap by Monday, because as we can see here, the heavily talked about stock right now is the Digital War Acquisition, which is DWAC, and upward almost crazy right now is almost 25 and mentioned a lot. So that's why we saw the price almost 2,600 upward, yeah, and that is like been mentioned almost 400 times. It's like the first before it is GameStop and AMC and the other stocks. So we're gonna see a big volatility by pre-market. As I said, if we don't see a gap, just be careful from the 99. And the next one we have, guys, the next one we have Mark, or ticker symbol is MARK. And this one, guys, is looking good right now, because we have a really good support here around the $1.68, and we're gonna see a test by tomorrow, the $2.56. You know what happened around the $2.56? Because we doing higher lows. You see here and here, okay? And every time we do higher lows, we do higher lower highs. You see, this is a good reaction. We get rejected and get rejected here, and we do lower highs, and this means we're gonna see, if we hold just the $1.68, we're gonna see the $3.90, guys. This will be crazy move by next week, okay? So be careful from this level for mark around the test around the $2.56. That will have us predict that the price will have a jump from this area, okay? This is really important for mark. The next one we have SGBX, and this one as well, we went until the support, and we talked about, guys. As said, guys, this is the last support for our stock around the $2.97, and guess what happened? The price went up on Friday. Crazy movement, almost 40%. Right now, I have a prediction for another price test, which is the $5.53, guys. If you don't take your profit, just take a profit here, because here we're gonna see a rejection and squeeze at the same time, because if we just went above this, we're gonna see the price go really high this time as well, and we go even near the $9. But however, this kind of price around the $9 is a really high volatility. So what you're gonna do here, the game plan for this one, always, if you don't want to take all the profit, always put this in your perspective. $5.53, a possible rejection. So what you're gonna do, just take 50%, 60% around this technical area, so you don't feel FOMO, and buy the price after here, because here there's a massive rejection area, and you get in again around the $7 or $8 where we see a rejection, and you lose all the profit that you already made here. So we don't want to see that happen to you. So you just always take profit here, 50%, 60%, whatever you feel like it, and let the other one ride at least around the $8, okay? So this is kind of good strategy. So I'll be extra careful about the $5.53. We're gonna see a first test here, and this is the last support, as I said, the $2.67, and that's why we hold, and we see a buying pressure for SGBX. The last one we have, guys, PHUN, and this one as well is been heavily talked about it here. You see, it's the third and most talked about stock on Reddit, and for this one, guys, what we should expect for the price, if we go really in smaller picture, you see this triangle we trading last week. The price is been consolidating here and ready to explode. So by Monday, what the strategy is, holding around above the $8, guys. Any price hold, we're gonna see the price explode around the $11 first, $11.50, then the 14.50, okay? 14.50 will be the next target, and here we'll see the squeeze where the price will go until the 26.68. This is where I take my profit if we have that explosion that happened here, okay? Just be careful from this reaction, because what we're gonna see by Monday, guys. As I said, guys, be prepared for those stocks. Is big volatility. We have a lot of insiders, traders, a lot of options, put options, call options happening for those stocks. That's why I saw a lot of volatility. So always take a profit on the way and reload when the price reconsolidate around our technical area. Put notification, cut your emotion, and always, as I said, never run after the price. Let the price come to you, and see you guys in the next update.